Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So we were discussing the congruence of triangles. We will continue today again the congruence. Today we will discuss one problem related to the congruence, that the perpendicular drawn in an isosceles triangle, bisects the opposite side. It is given that perpendicular side. So to attempt these type of questions, first of all we have to write first of all given, what is given in the question, and we are supposed to draw the diagram also. So it is given that isosceles triangle is there. This is the isosceles triangle. What are the properties of the isosceles triangle? In the isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Suppose here AB equals to AC. So this is given, and this is also given that AB is the perpendicular. So what is given in triangle ABC? AB is equals to AC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Now this is a sign of perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. Now we have to prove. What we have to prove? Perpendicular drawn in isosceles triangle bisect the opposite side. We have to prove that this AD is bisecting BC. Bisecting means by these two sets means part, two equal parts. Two equal parts are divided means we have to prove BD is equals to CD. Now we have to prove. So we will write proof. We will take again two triangles are there, ABD and ACD. This triangle and this triangle. So we will write in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. In triangle ABD, this triangle, and triangle ACD, this triangle. So we will write here AB is equals to AC. Yesterday I told you that in congruence, if we are writing anything that AB is equals to AC, then we are supposed to supply the reason for that, why we are writing this. So why it is this is given. Second one is, suppose this is the angle 1. This is angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because the angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are also equal. So ये isosceles triangle है, that's why इसकी sides equal given है, तो इसका angle भी equal होंगे. क्यों equal होंगे ये हमने कल प्रूव करके दिखाया था कि isosceles triangles के एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. कौन से एंगल्स? जो इक्वल साइड्स के अपोजिट होते हैं. वी प्रूव दैट यस्टरडे. सो इसका रीजन क्या होगा? ट्रायंगल ABC इज आइसोसेलेस. सपोज दिस इज एंगल 3, दिस इज एंगल 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? This is given that AD is a perpendicular. Means perpendicular means 90 degree. Now we can say the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Now the main part comes now. What is the criteria? Which criteria we are using here? Angle, side. Angle, side. Now yesterday I told you one more term, CPCT. I told that if we prove the triangles congruent, then their corresponding parts will also be equal. So here, if these two triangles are congruent, then what we have to see? BD, last two letters. BD will be equal to CD. It implies BD is equal to CD. What was that term? CPCT. What is the full form of CPCT? I want to tell you again. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles, and corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. So you should see this video carefully. That is the important problem. Yesterday also we discussed that why the two angles in an isosceles triangles are equal. Here we are using that property. So you should be careful regarding the congruence of triangles. Now our speed is slow. Why? Because we are not having a substantial number of subscribers. We are not having the accurate number. If we get the accurate number of subscribers, then we will move forward rapidly. Means with a systematic plan, with a schedule that which chapters, which classes, lectures will be there. So try to convey the message to your friends and colleagues that if you have not, or if they have not subscribed the channel, they are supposed to subscribe the channel as early as possible and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of the latest upload. Thank you very much.